How the Internet works, understanding the core protocols. At its heart, the Internet is a global network of networks, connecting billions of devices through a standardized set of rules known as protocols. These protocols allow disparate machines to communicate, exchange data, and function as a unified system. Here is a breakdown of the 3 foundational pillars that make this communication possible. 1. IP, Internet Protocol, the addressing system. Think of IP as the postal system of the digital world. Every device connected to the Internet is assigned a unique IP address, e.g., 192.168.1.1. How it works. When you send data, it is broken down into small, manageable pieces called packets. Each packet is stamped with a destination IP address. Routers across the globe act as sorting offices, reading these headers and forwarding packets to the correct destination, even if they take different physical paths. 2. DNS, Domain Name System, the Internet's phone book. Humans find it difficult to remember strings of numbers, like IP addresses. DNS solves this by acting as the bridge between human-friendly names, e.g., google.com, and machine-readable IP addresses. How it works. When you type a URL into your browser, your computer sends a request to a DNS server. The server looks up the domain name in its database and returns the corresponding IP address, allowing your browser to locate the server hosting that website. 3. HTTP/HTTPS, Hypertext Transfer Protocol, the language of content. Once your computer knows where to find a website via IP, it needs to know how to talk to the web server. This is where HTTP, or the secure, encrypted version HTTPS, comes in. How it works. This protocol defines the conversation. Your browser sends an HTTP request asking for a web page, and the server sends an HTTP response, the HTML code, images, and styles. Security. HTTPS adds a layer of encryption using SSL/TLS, ensuring that the data transmitted between your browser and the server cannot be intercepted or tampered with by malicious actors. Key takeaway. The Internet functions through a layered approach. DNS finds the address, IP routes the data packets, and HTTP/HTTPS renders the content for the user. Want to learn more? For deep dives into networking, web development, and technology concepts, check out our video content. We break down complex topics into clear, visual explanations. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more technical insights. Subscribe to Still Video. Did this explanation help clarify how these protocols interact? Or would you like to explore a specific layer of the OSI model in more detail?